Make these chunky mini egg cookies with me. Beat together 125 grams of butter and 100 grams of light brown soft sugar until it's creamy. Crack in 1 egg and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat this again until combined. In a bowl, add 275 grams of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Add this to the mixture and mix again until it forms a dough. Make sure you scrape down the sides and get any flour that's still remaining. Add this into the mixture. Then follow this with 150 grams of milk chocolate and 150 grams of chopped or crushed mini eggs. Mix this together again to form your dough. Roll the cookies into cylinder forms and put in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then, in the oven at 180 degrees fan, bake for 12 to 14 minutes. They'll come out just looking like this. Make sure you head over to YouTube, Baking with Becca, for more videos.